Hello everyone, and I give you a great greeting for you in this day. I'm going to introduce myself and I'm going to share with you a short reflection about the task in this course. So my name is Paula Andrea Melo Chacon and I'm 25 years old. I was born in Cúcuta. I live in Ocaña. Recently I have separated from my husband. But I don't have any children. I live with my parents and I live in the downtown of the city. Currently I work as an English teacher and I work in two private schools. One of them is Gonzales and the other one is Don Bosco. I have served as an English teacher for 5 years because I have certificate as a technical English teacher, and that was my change to get a new opportunity in this field. So now it's my passion and my goal to become a professional teacher in this stage for the future. For that reason, I started my career in an English degree as a foreign language teaching. When I was a child, I remember that I fancied the languages, and my method to develop my knowledge was starting to learn through the different movies genres like animation, cartoons, and comics movies with subtitles in English. I practiced after school, I remember, and when it had started the technologies world, I started to surf on the internet and make exercises through this. I think that the process begins with your own intention to learn. If you like it, you could speak English more easy. You could speak English easier and get other opportunities over the world. For example, to know about other cultures, to get an excellent job, to help other people, and so on. But the point is that in the process I'm learning, in my intention is to try to find a way what people like to learn English, to learn languages. We have to take advantage to the technology today in day because there are several strategies on the internet and sophisticated tools to teach English to the students. And our goal is to continue applying the new strategies in the classroom. Otherwise, we won't make anything as teachers. I have learned in this process many things that I hadn't, that the people didn't understand about it. But now this is our assignment to apply new ideas, new strategies, new plans to teach English to people in general. It's very important for our performance. I consider that it's the way to reduce the weakness in the teaching language, and I consider that I had my strengths to demonstrate and apply in the teaching process because I feel that is the major goal that I have. Thank you and have a nice day.